progressive exercise technique. The progressive exercise technique strengthens your entire strike path with penetrating jolts of core lightning's rotational acceleration, form, and timing. Create a balanced body position and a still head-on target. Maintain a strong and stable shoulder, arm, hand form, which your core will rotate as one unit on strike plane. Remember to keep your shoulder, arm, hand form revolving rotationally around your body center and through your target. Your hips and core twist shoulders, which rotate a relaxed and passive arms and hands unit on strike plane, remaining close to body. At deceleration-acceleration point, core, hips, shoulders, arms, and hands decelerate-accelerate as one unit, creating optimum whip-snap strike force. From beginning of strike, begin a whole body back and forth twisting motion to create a rhythmic pendulum motion. Each time the pendulum moves back, move your shoulders, arms, and hands unit an inch or so forward into your rotational strike path to create your forward pendulum motion. Continue this progressive motion until you reach full extension. Now begin to rotate in opposite direction along the same strike path. Build strength solidly. Increase resistance and tempo. Do 5 30-second sets and build your strength. Increasing resistance creates a faster rhythmic tempo and a more explosive rotational acceleration. The progressive technique allows you to deeply infuse core lightning's timing, form, and rotational acceleration on every point of your strike path for optimal mind-muscle memory and superior strike performance. Core lightning. Own your strike.